Dirt happens every day. Vacuuming once a week is okay, but doing it more often is better. With so much to do, it's hard to keep up. It needs to get done, but no one said you have to do it. The standard setting vacuum cleaning robot just got better. Introducing the iRobot Roomba 800 series with the Aeroforce Performance Cleaning System.
With the 800 series, we developed a highly efficient cleaning system that will revolutionize robotic vacuuming. From the airflow accelerator to the high-efficiency vacuum, everything about Aeroforce was designed to multiply and maximize cleaning performance. In fact, the Roomba 800 series has a 5 times more powerful vacuum that removes up to 50% more dirt, debris, hair, and harmful allergens than previous Roomba models. The keys to this new cleaning system are the tangle-free debris extractors. These extractors break down and lift dirt, debris, dust, and hair off of every floor surface. And just as important, these extractors virtually eliminate the hassle of hair clogs and jams, delivering on our promise of less work for you.
Great for homes with pets or allergy sufferers, Roomba traps fine dust particles, drawing them into a sealed, HEPA-filtered bin and out of the air that you breathe. Roomba is all about making vacuuming and maintaining clean floors easy, so you'll do it more often. Like all Roomba models, just press clean and the robot gets on with the hard work. You can also schedule Roomba to clean when it's convenient for you. When it's done cleaning, Roomba returns to its home base to dock and recharge. With iAdapt responsive navigation technology, our advanced system of software and sensors, Roomba finds its way around effortlessly, avoiding obstacles, vacuuming under and around furniture, covering the entire floor multiple times, and focusing extra cleaning energy where it's needed most, using persistent pass and dirt detect technologies. It will also clean along wall edges, avoiding stairs, obstacles, and loose wires, and it won't damage your furniture. All of this technology is packed into a groundbreaking robot that's extremely simple to use. Now you can get beautifully vacuumed floors every day, the easy way.
DC-40 sits on a ball. Many essential components, including the motor, have been carefully engineered to fit inside the ball, creating a low center of gravity. It steers smoothly and turns on a dime, maneuvering around obstacles into difficult places and along edges with ease. The hose and wand come out in one for instant high-reach cleaning. Additional tools designed by Dyson engineers attach to the wand for removing dust, dirt, pet hair and allergens from awkward places. It's lightweight and powerful, with a 5-year warranty. The Dyson 360i robot is powered by the high-speed Dyson digital motor. It's small and light, yet delivers higher suction than any other robot vacuum. A unique 360-degree vision system sees all the way around itself at once, selecting reference points to track and triangulate its position so it knows where it is, where it's been, and where it is yet to clean, systematically cleaning your home in 3-meter grids. Patented radial root cyclone technology generates powerful centrifugal forces to fling dust out of the air and into the bin. The robot's cleaner head spans the full width of the machine. Carbon fiber filaments remove fine dust from hard floors, and stiff nylon bristles remove ground-in dirt from carpets. Continuous tank tracks climb over obstacles and maintain speed and direction, ensuring it stays on course. And the Dyson Link app allows you to start, pause, and schedule your cleans, as well as monitor and update the Dyson 360i robot vacuum. The Dyson 360i robot, the most powerful suction of any robot vacuum.
Softness and comfort matter to you and your loved ones. That's why you put new Ultra Plush carpets in your home. But while these carpets may be soft and user-friendly, cleaning them with ordinary vacuums can be challenging. With traditional vacuums, high suction can create a seal between the dense carpet fibers and the nozzle, making it difficult to move and clean. But with air infusion technology, the new Plush Pro nozzle cleans effectively and moves easily through even the softest carpet. Here's how it works. 2 vents open automatically, allowing additional airflow which breaks the suction seal between the nozzle and carpet for easier maneuvering. At the same time, it channels a stream of air under the agitator to lift out dirt and debris, leaving your carpet groomed and clean. The result? Excellent carpet cleaning and easy maneuverability. When you're not cleaning soft carpets, the vents close automatically, so you get full suction for bare floors, traditional carpeting, and area rugs. The low-profile nozzle with swivel steering and large wheel design lets the canister maneuver effortlessly, following every change in direction and gliding around corners. Panasonic Plush Pro gives you the power, the performance, and all the tools you need to find that household dust and dirt wherever it's hiding, even in out-of-reach places with the convenient telescoping wand. And pet hair is no match for the Air Turbine Pet Tool. Revolutionary cyclonic filtration and unique jet force dirt compression technology help prevent clogging, maintain suction, and deliver the performance you expect. And if you're tired of always having to worry about replacing full vacuum bags, you'll love the easy-to-empty canister on the Plush Pro. And a washable filter is a breeze to remove and clean. The Panasonic Plush Pro with air infusion technology. A vacuum that truly cleans your whole home, including someone's new favorite room.